First, if you don't have Visual Studio Code, first install that. Go to Chrome. Type the VS Code download. Navigate the download VS Code option. Navigate to the Windows. If you have the Windows, click the Windows button. Simply click that. The VS Code file is download. I'm already downloaded this, so I don't want this file. Go to the file, go to the top, download folder. You can see VS Code file is available. Simply click the Run as Administrator to install the VS Code. I'm already installed the VS Code, so I directly go the VS Code. Okay, this is VS Code interface. Okay, first of all, you navigate to the extension, type the Python extension because we are already installed the Python. So to communicate the Python library, we will install the Python extension in VS Code. So you navigate to the Python. I'm already installed that. You navigate to the Python extension. Simply install this button. The VS Code interface very simple. So using tab and para down arrow, you simply navigate to VS Code terminal. So I'm after open the folder. Create the Python test folder. This is very this is for only demonstration purpose. So we will execute hello program in Python. Okay. Navigate to select folder option. Okay. You click the yes button, press this folder button. Control Shift T, click the Control Shift T, go to the file folder option, right click to create file. Create file 1. The file I will set the file name hello.py. I write the print statement in using Python code. Click Ctrl J, open the terminal option. Simply write or type the Python keyword after your file name. The file name is hello.py. You always remember that you will run the file. First you type the Python extension name or Python name, Python. After give the space Python space hello.py, then enter. The program is executed. Simple. After I will